Windows 10 on top of Windows. Is it possible? Yes, we can install Windows on a virtual machine. Let's see how. As we are going to use VMware to install Windows 10, we have to set up a new virtual machine before all. To do this, open VMware Player, and click on Create a new virtual machine. There, you can select the media, which will be used to install Windows 10. I'll choose this later, so I select I will install the operating system later option. Here we have to select the Windows 10 version, which we are going to install later. Choose Windows 10 64-bit version, and click Next. You may select a new name and a location to save files. I am comfortable with default settings, so I click Next. Then select your virtual disk size here. Around 100 GB is good for this. Also, choose Store Virtual Disk as a single file option, as it will increase your virtual machine performance. We can do all other customization after finishing this, so just select Finish here. Now, we are going to fine-tune some basic settings for our newly created virtual machine. Here, you can adjust some hardware settings, such as dedicated RAM amount and graphic memory size. Keep in mind that these hardware should not exceed your available system resources. Then, you have to introduce your Windows 10 ISO to the virtual machine, as it will be used to install Windows 10 later. Finally, you can close this settings page, and start your new virtual machine. Okay, now we have turned on our virtual machine. It will take you to the same, familiar Windows 10 out-of-the-box setup experience. Clicking on Install Now button should begin the installation immediately. All of these steps are easy to understand and nothing to explain individually. If anything unclear, please put a comment below, and we will answer as soon as possible. Here, choose Custom Installation option, and create new partitions for your virtual machine. It's better if you can assign more than 60 GB for your local drive. Okay. Let the installation to finish. We have increased our video speed, to save a bit of time. This installation process may take up to 10 minutes, depending on your hardware performance. Now, the installation is complete. But, as you can see, our virtual machine doesn't have the essential drivers yet. We are going to fix this by installing VMware Tools. Let's see how to install them. You can use the below prompt, or you can go to VMware Player settings to download and install them. Here, you can expand this window to see some details. After downloading, VMware Tools package will mount to your DVD drive automatically. Well, let's find out the downloaded tools. Open your File Explorer and go to My Computer section. Here, you can see them, mounted to your DVD drive. Right-click on this to run the program, which will then install all the required VMware tools. You must restart your virtual machine to finish the installation. Don't restart your computer, only the virtual machine. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your new Windows 10 virtual machine. You can now resize your virtual machine to any size you want. This is a basic evidence for the successful installation of VMware Tools. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please consider pressing subscribe button, as it encourages us a lot.